beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a great way to remove dark on the hands. Okay, alright, so if you're not like me right now, okay, this ingredient is gonna work really well for you because it's gonna help to whoop out all of those darkness at your armpit area, and it's actually been helping me a whole lot, guys. But of course, when I put to bed, you know, all of those the ingredients is actually going to respond very well. But if you're not in that state, it's actually going to help you so much. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and then let's go. To get rid of a dark underhands, guys, you're gonna be making use of sugar cane. Okay, now sugar cane contains sweet, and the sugar in it would help to remove the darkness on your skin. So this is how we're gonna be preparing it. Okay, we're gonna be cutting it. And then we're actually going to be creating it, although it's not going to be easy to create, but yeah, we're going to be creating it to extract the juice. Now if you have yours, you can actually just blend it because it's more easier to blend than creating. Okay, so since it's actually not very easy so I'm actually gonna be putting in just a little bit of water to get the juice out of this. But in case you're blending yours, you do not even need to put much water, because if you're blending, the juice is gonna be much more than if you're creating. So now I'm going to be sieving it out. And this is the sugarcane juice. Now the next ingredient is rice powder. Now rice powder contains a lightening property that helps to lighten up the skin. Using it on the skin will help your skin glow because it's going to tighten up the loose and sagginess of your skin, and it's going to reduce the size of pores. So I'm actually going to be needing 1 tablespoon of, about 2 tablespoons though, because of the quantity of the sugarcane juice. So I'm actually going to be stirring this all up. Now the next ingredient is going to be magic white glycerin. Okay, this actually helps to lighten up the skin really more, but if you don't have magic white glycerin, you can use the normal glycerin and rose water. So I'm actually going to be taking 1 teaspoon into this. The magic white glycerin usually is hot, so you need just a little quantity. Okay, because when you apply it on your skin, it's hot, so that's why you really do not even need too much of it. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing will be baking soda. Now baking soda would help to exfoliate the dead skin cells and removing dark underhands. It would help to smoothen out the skin. So we're going to be putting that in, and I'm also going to be needing 1 teaspoon of that. Now after that is done, then you can either grab your sugarcane juice or you pour in just a little bit of water just to liquidify this and make it really, make the consistency friendly enough. So I'm going to be stirring it, stir it really well, and the starch in the rice is very important. That's basically what we need. Okay, so let's go use this and remove the darkness under the hands. Okay, so this is how my armpit is right now, and it's been really dark ever since I got pregnant. And look at this particular one, it's so freaking dark. Alright, so I know when I put to bed, ingredients are going to be responding to my skin very well. But for now, let me just give it a try. If you're not in my situation, like if you're not in my state, this is actually going to work for you, because of course this is actually not how my armpits used to be. Okay. But for now, this is how it tastes. So you're going to be applying this. And make sure you touch everywhere that is black. Okay, so after applying it like this, then you then have to hold on for some while. Okay, but as you hold on, you would have to give it a scrub. Yeah, because you really need to remove the darkness and exfoliate the skin. Okay, so you do it this way. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go wash it off and come and show you guys the improvements using this for just one time. Talk more of when you use it for like 2-3 weeks, okay? Because you have to be consistent. See, these natural homemade remedies, they are natural, they are not miracle. You have to give it time for it to work, and you have to be consistent in applying it also. So hold on, let me go wash. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like right now, and although my hair is grown, but I think it's actually a little lighter. Yeah, but you'd have to apply this for some weeks for you to see a whole lot of improvement. It's going to lighten your dark underarms. Just 3 weeks of consistency and your dark underarms is lighter. So that's it. It's as simple. It is as simple as that. Okay. So using sugarcane juice, you know, because it has sugar in it, to help to scrub out those dead skin cells, and your skin is going to get glowing. Okay. So if you did enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.